started. We have Win Lane. First to show quickness at the start. Mr. Godfather comes next. Formidable Ella. Copperhead. Paminsan Minsan. Royal Family. Torken Chana comes next. Interceptor. Premier Edition. While Smile and Joy is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Win Lane by about 2 lengths. Right behind in second is Formidable Ella. Mr. Godfather comes next. Next online now is Paminsan Minsan. Copperhead comes next. Interceptor. Alongside comes Royal Family. Next online is Premier Edition. Then followed by Torken Chana. While Smile and Joy is still running at the tail of the field. And at the far turn, we have Win Lane maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Formidable Ella in second. And down in third comes Paminsan Minsan. Copperhead comes next. Mr. Godfather. Interceptor moving upon the outside. Premier Edition. Next online is Royal Family. Torken Chana. While Smile and Joy is still running at the tail of the field. And they are entering the home stretch. We have Win Lane. This time draws clear by about 5 lengths. Formidable Ella in second with about 100 meters of the race. Looks like we have a winner now. And race number 6 belongs to Win Lane. Second is Formidable Ella.
At yun nga po, 9-5-4, 7-2 and 1. Unofficial na datingan natin. Win Lane doing 13-25-24 and a half, finishing with 27 for 1 minute.